Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to School from Home. Here you are with your math teacher, Uma ma'am. So today is the fourth lesson of knowing our numbers. Before starting a new topic, let's have a recap of last session. So as you all know, in last session we covered about Roman numerals. We learned about the 7 basic symbols of Roman numerals, that is 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500 and 1000. Now, what are the other numbers and how is it written? So, there are few rules that we need to follow. So, first we'll have a recap of these rules. So, symbols I, X, C and M cannot be repeated for more than 3 times. Symbols V, L, D cannot be repeated at any cost. Now, smaller value when written on right of greater value, then it is addition, like in the case of 12 and 6. And smaller value when written on left of greater value, then it is subtracted, like in the case of 9 and 4. So, today we will be learning about word problems, also known as story problem. As you all know, all the story problems can be solved with the help of 4 fundamental mathematical operations, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So let us understand it one by one. So the first operation that I have taken is addition. Now for solving the story problems that has addition, first we need to identify the keywords. So what are the keywords for addition? So if total, more, increase, exceed or deposit, if these words exist in a story problem, then we can conclude that we need to add on. So anything that is being enhanced or increased, in that case we need to apply the operation of addition. So let us first solve a story problem of addition. So I will read out the problem for you. In an exhibition, the number of tickets sold on the first, second, third and fourth days are 1,35,000, 65,060, 25,700 and 20,245 respectively. Find the total number of tickets sold in 4 days. So what is the keyword here? Keyword is total number. Whenever we have to total something, we are going to add all the numbers. So before starting, what is the most important thing in the story problems is the sentence. We need to frame a proper sentence and jot down all the information. So as you can see, I have written number of tickets sold on first day, then second day, then third day and fourth day. So when I jotted down all the informations and with the keyword, I got to know that I have added on. So you can see on the left side that the addition has been done. And what is the answer we got? The answer is that therefore the total number of tickets sold is 2,46,005. Dear students, the next operation I have taken is subtraction. As I told you, before solving any question, it is always good to write down what is already given in the problem. Why? Because from this known information, we have to solve the unknown problem. So here I'll read out a problem for you. In a year, a wholesale shop sold 6,44,400 notebooks out of 6,50,000 notebooks. Find the number of notebooks left or unsold. So here what is the keyword? Keyword is left. So other keywords for subtraction is like less, lessen, decrease or withdraw. So in subtraction, you need to remember that always the larger digit will be first written and then we have to subtract the smaller digit. So you can see here in the example So I have first written the statement, number of notebooks in the store, then number of notebooks sold. So you can see here that the subtraction has already been done. As you all know how to subtract. So you will subtract, and then what is the answer I got? Answer is, therefore the number of unsold notebooks is 5,600. Next is multiplication. In multiplication, if continuous addition takes place, then we need to multiply that problem. So first let me give an example to you. The annual fee of a certain college is 6,25,575. What is the annual fee collection of that college if it has 755 students on the roll? So as I told you, the first thing is to jot down what is given. So what is given? The annual fee is given, and we need to find out the annual fees of 755 students. So as the amount is continuously added, we will simply multiply it by 755, and then we get the answer. What is the answer we got? Therefore, rupees 47 crore 23 lakh 9,125 is the total collection of the college. Now, the last operation is division. So, if anything is reducing or subtracting continuously from the total, then we apply division. So, let us take an example. The government introduced a special scheme for 500 women who are to be distributed 10 lakh. Find the amount each woman will get. So, amount, as I told you, we'll first jot down the details given. So, amount to be given to 500 women is rupees 10 lakh. And amount to be given to each woman. So, as you can see, it is being subtracted continuously. So, we will divide it by rupees 500. So, what is one woman getting? Each means 1. So, each woman is getting rupees 2,000. So, I hope all the 4 mathematical operation is clear to you. Lastly, we will discuss about Career Connect. So, here you can see, can you identify the girl in the picture here given? So, there are 2 girls. So, the girl sitting is Kalpana Chawla. She was the first woman of Indian origin to go to space. So, in Career Connect, you can also become an astronaut. So, let us discuss what are the qualities one should have to become an astronaut. So, an astronaut is a person trained by a human space satellite program to command, pilot or serve as a crew member of a spacecraft. So, what are the physical fitness that we should have? A physically fit candidate who is creative, curious and has an aptitude of science and research can aspire to be an astronaut. So, are you interested in science and research? And at the same time, you should be healthy and fit. So, a graduation in basic science and engineering and knowledge of flying is essential. So, hope you all must have learned about how to become an astronaut. So, dear students, hope you all are doing your assignment on a timely basis, and we will soon meet with another topic. So, thank you so much.